What's good, Mogos fam? And I'm back with another banging banger. Ngibuyile with another banger. So kune request bekade ngitholile again. Guys, ngiya appreciate kakhulu for laba aba request ama video. It makes it more easier kwenza kube lula kakhulu ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi nginichazele because nisuke nikhulume ngento esobala nje yabo, specifically lento enisuke ni-requestile. So manje into enzakalayo kunomunye wama-subscribers la othe ufuna ukwazi ukuthi manje ngibona kanjani ukuthi ama-event le izoba volatile kakhulu or le ngeke izibe. So angeke ngisho ukuthi i-app but i-website engisebenzisayo ekhalenda bayibiza i-Forex Factory, which is the one engiyivulile right now. So i-Forex Factory i-Forex Factory leli calendar leli ngilithandiswa into eyodwa ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukubuyela emuva kakhulu ngiphinde ngikwazi ukuya phambili kakhulu. Ngiyayizwa lento engishoyo. Akufani ne-investing.com. I-investing.com ayikwazi ukuthi ubuyele ngemuva mase idlulile lapho yabo. That is why ke ngisebenzisa i-Forex Factory. And another thing ngiyayixolisela ngaloko. Another thing i-Forex Factory is just easy to use. Ilula kakhulu nje uyisebenzisa nje, kulula kakhulu. So into enzakalayo ke uvula iwebsite yakhona uyayitype nje kanje njengoba ubonile, njengoba ngitype la uyitype uvela uthi nje Forex Factory ku-Google, Forex Factory kuzovela kanje. Then into yenzayo ukuthi kufanele uyowenza ama-settings, ama-settings i-filter. Uklikha leli button leli la engazi ukuthi lo mbhoshongo lishona ezansi, uklikhe lona then izobe isikuvezela kanje. Then uyabona ukuthi kulabo thiki laba ababhala ukuthi abathikwe ngokublue la kubhalwe khona ngokumnyama ukuthi expected impact. Wena kufanele wenze njani? Ususe lo tick ongathi ugrey, ususe lo ongathi uyellow, ususe lo ongathi orange, ushiye lo bomvu kuphela. Ichaza ukuthini ke leyo nto? Ichaza ukuthi ama-event lawa asuke ngempela ane-high probability yokuthi amuve kakhulu izokunikeza wona wodwa yabo. But more ede lamanye izokunikeza namanye angasebenzi anganyakazisi kakhulu i-market, but nasifuna la yenza sure ukuthi i-market izonyakaza. So emva kaloko-ke what do you do ukuthi then you click apply filter. Then masu clickile apply filter then ubuye back to ikhalenda lakho. Yabo nje namhla 4 June. Namhlanje nje i-event ezobe isematheni kakhulu kuzobe kuyi card interest rate yakhona. Ama-interest rates nje wenze sure ukuthi uyawa include because are good, very good. U-Audi GDP nawo uyanyakaza but not ngaleyo ndlela but uyanyakaza, angeke ngidlale ngawo, uyanyakaza. Then USD ADP NF loku it's more like usuku prepare ukuthi vele ngolesihlanu NFP yabo, njengoba ubona la ukuthi ngolesihlanu zi-NFP. Uyazi i-NFP na angazi ngayiqhathanisa nani. NFP iyona event esuka inyakazisa imakethe kakhulu, mebethi bathi iyona anticipated, sizwe isilungu, bathi iyona nje esuke ngempela abantu beyilangazelela ukuthi showcase. But ke kumele ube careful, akuwo wonke ama-event ekufanele ukuthi wa-trade wonke because sometimes kuba nama-rejections uyabo. So kumele ugade ukuthi okay fine la kunama-rejections uyabo, uqaphe nje ukuthi nawe uriska kanjani, ungariski imali yakho yonke yabo. Gcina ukhala la ngo-Forex Moguls ukuthi hey la bayalahlekisana, kanti no, you have to be honest and truthful. Mina nje la it's a straightforward content. honest as possible because abantu abanalo ulwazi lalento, and this is the only way umuntu angakwazi ukuthi an-educate ngayo, anifundise ngayo, because ukuthi ngenza ama-one-on-one yabo, ama-group class session okwamanje akuyona into engifokhase kakhulu kuyona leyo, because angifuni umuntu abe naloku ukuthi badla imali yami kanjani, wara no. Straightforward, truthful and honest, straightforward, sikhulume ngento nje mfethu nami engiyenzayo, uyayibo leyo nto. Hhayi ngoba naku mhlampe kukhona ulo, uma ufuna more content okwakho nje subscribe, like, comment, usho nje ukuthi guys mina ngilahleka la nala nala nala, uyayibo leyo nto. So iyona nto engifisa-ke ukudlulisa yona leyo, but ngiyabonga kakhulu for ama-subscribers enu. Angiwathathi for granted guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi nibe nathi and niqhubeke nibuke ama-content ethu, and I promise you ngizokwenza sure ukuthi i-content enginilethela yona strictly honest and truthful ngaso sonke isikhathi, and izokwazi ukunikeza ulwazi and uligraspe ngempela ngokolimi lwethu lebele, uyabo. Ngoba manje baningi abantu abakhulumayo la emnyango, yabo, but akekho umuntu ofuna ukuthi le nto uyi-understand-e straight from indlela esuke nawe uwumuntu, yabo, owumZulu, ukuthi uyithole le nto ukuthi yenziwa kanjani. So guys, without any further ado, subscribe, like, comment. If makukhona la ulahleka khona, akho Telegram, there's no WhatsApp group, no Facebook page engisalivulile. Ngalivula before, but okwamanje angikho. Indawo engikhona kuyona, even no TikTok ngengaba khona, but ngisamile. Ila ngikhona, it's YouTube guys. That is where I'm at. That is where uma ufuna nje ilona yami, attention yami with regards to ama request, comment, and then you will hear respond and you will see video. Thank you so much. Danko.